Understanding, in the same boat, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used idiom, in the same boat. This phrase is not just about boats, but it's a powerful way to express a common situation many of us find ourselves in. So, grab your notebooks, and let's set sail to understand what it means to be in the same boat together. The phrase, in the same boat, is an idiom used to indicate that two or more people are in the same situation, usually facing the same challenges or difficulties. It's a way of expressing empathy or solidarity, showing that you understand someone else's situation because you are experiencing something very similar. Imagine literally being in a small boat with others. You'd all face the same weather, the same risks, and the same destination. That's exactly the kind of unity and shared experience this idiom illustrates. The origin of "in the same boat" is believed to date back to the early 1600s. It was used metaphorically to describe a shared situation or fate among individuals. The imagery of being in a boat together highlights the idea of sharing the same conditions, whether good or bad. Over the years, this phrase has sailed smoothly into everyday language, used not just in English, but it has equivalents in many other languages, showcasing its universal appeal and understanding. To truly grasp any idiom, it's important to see it in action. Here are a few examples of how "in the same boat" can be used in sentences. After the company layoffs, we all found ourselves in the same boat, searching for new jobs. Despite our differences, when it comes to the environment, we're all in the same boat. We all need to work together to protect our planet. During the lockdown, my neighbor and I realized we were in the same boat, struggling to balance work and childcare at home. While using this idiom, remember it's about shared experiences, not physical location. Saying, "We are in the same boat because we live in the same city," doesn't quite capture the essence unless you're highlighting shared challenges related to living in that city. Understanding and using idioms like "in the same boat" can enrich your English communication, making it more vibrant and relatable. We hope this video has helped you understand this idiom's meaning, origin, and how to use it correctly. Remember, language learning is a journey we're all in the same boat for, so let's keep learning together. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.